and today we'll be talking about HTML links, an interesting topic for all beginners. And as usual, I'm just going to create a new file like this, and I'm just going to type HTML links like this. So guys, just like it's in our tradition to always structure our files properly so we can keep tabs of what we've done previously. So I'm just going to say 10 and call this HTML links like this .html, right? I can't see my keys, don't mind me. .html. Okay guys, HTML links.html like this, right? So this is signifying the 10th tutorial video for this series, and you can see we have all our tutorial videos and past videos all structured nicely, and we can easily go back and refer to them. You can see, isn't that nice? All right, so I'm just going to hold down Shift+1 to toggle on these templates for us to use, right, as a guide, so we don't have to start typing out all these things, right? So I'm just going to type learning HTML links. All right, so let's check this in our browser and see if we're on the right track. I'm just going to right click and reveal in File Explorer like this, and you can see it has generated the web page for us, and I'm just going to click on this, right? And you can see HTML links, right? It's a blank page because we've not done anything yet. All right guys, so what are HTML links? So HTML links helps user navigate from one page to another, as simple as that. You know, just like when you click on home page, it takes you to the home page. You click on contact page, it takes you to the contact page. And that's what HTML links are for. So I'm just going to define a HTML link, and this is how you define HTML link. In Visual Studio Code, it's very simple. All you have to do is just to type A, right? A, and tap enter. And this is it. It has the opening tag with an attribute of href. When I hover my mouse on this, you can see it contains a URL or a URL fragment that the hyperlinks point to. And now what all this big grammar means is that all you have to do is just to put in the name of the page you want to link your file to, or you want to navigate to when a user click on this link. It's as simple as that. Which page do you want to go to when a user click on these links or this particular link? This is what we're going to find out now. All right guys, and we have the closing tag like this, right? In between, I'm just going to type click me to go to HTML paragraphs like this, right? HTML paragraphs. Why can't I spell paragraphs? All right, when I save this and I refresh, come over here and I refresh, you can see we have this link, right? But when I click it, you can see it's not taking us anywhere. You can see it's not going anywhere. And why is it not taking us to anywhere? I mean, it's a link. It's supposed to lead us to somewhere, right? It's supposed to navigate us, or it's supposed to take us to another place from this our current web page, right? What's going on? That's because why in this attribute called href, right, we've not declared or we've not defined where we want to go to. So it is in this attribute href here that you define where you want to go to. And let's say I want to go to this file here, 09-html-paragraphs, right? So I'm just going to type it here straight, 09- you can see, that's why I love Visual Studio Code. You can see it has completed it for me. So I'm just going to tap this, and now it's pointing to this file now. And when I save this document, Ctrl+S, and I go to my browser and refresh, what happens? When I click on this, you can see it has taken me to the paragraph, right? HTML paragraph, another file entirely. You can see it has taken us to this file now, right? Our last tutorial video, right? You can see, simple. So when I go back, I'm here, right? When I click, it takes me to HTML paragraph, and when I go back using this, you can see when I click to go back like this, you can see it takes me back to my current page. Simple as that. And that is how you define HTML links. Also guys, you can see it has created a linking, right, between this particular page, which is HTML links, and the HTML paragraph, right? It has linked me to HTML paragraph, which is another web page. And that is the importance of HTML links. All right guys, so thank you all for watching, and I hope you've learned something today. Don't forget to like, share this video, it's completely free, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And let's grow this page. We are really doing great work here, and I love you all. See you in the next video. Bye.